before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we doing? Welcome to Thursday. Thursday all day long, October the 7th. It's going to be Halloween before we know it. And then it'll be Christmas. And then we're starting a new year. And here we go again. Repeat. So it's fourth quarter, baby. It's fourth quarter. It's time to get the day going. Get this. I mean, if you haven't started working yet, you better start working soon. It's time. But anyway, we're going to talk about our 7 steps freight train mindset. We've been talking about this all week long. We'll continue it again today. I'm telling you, these steps, if you take all 7 steps, get your free copy, freighttrainmindset.com. I've got, you can get your 7 steps. You can print them out. You can put them on a poster. I don't care. Just live by them. Just live by these 7 steps, and it will change your life. I'm telling you, it'll change your life. So number 1 was get up early. Number 2, believe in you. Number 3, build confidence in all you do. Your walk, your talk, and your action. Number 4 is today. So let's bring that up on our handy dandy little screen here. And there's number 4. Number 4 coming at you live is give first to others. Use the line, how can I help you? Use the line, how can I help you? Now, what in the world am I talking about here? What this is when you go out there and you're trying to win, instead of trying to, maybe sell somebody or give somebody, be like, hey, look, will you buy my product or will you use my services? Instead, say, hey, can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you get something you want? Because what naturally happens when you scratch someone else's back, they turn around and scratch yours. It's pretty awesome. I learned this trick about a year and a half ago is start giving more. What can I do to help you grow your business? What can I do to help you become a better person? What can I do? And so you start giving that value, you start giving that that expertise of what, hey, look, I know people, maybe you know people, let's work together and let's grow together. So step 4 there. Let's see if I can do my handy dandy. There we go. Boom. Look at that. That's pretty cool. All right. So give first to others. And a lot of times the best line you can always use is, how can I help you? How can I help you? If you start saying that more instead of, hey, use my products. Hey, I need this, I need that. Why not try giving? Now, some people may take advantage of you, but the key here is to help them first. Say, hey, look, what can I do to help you? What can I practice it now? What can I do to help you? And if anybody's watching right now, I think we got a few people on here. Type it into chat and just say, how can I help you? What can I do to help you? And what happens is the person usually will say, well, I'm looking for leads, or I'm looking for clients, I'm looking for residents, I'm looking for these type of people. And if you can bring them those type of people, your business will change. Why? Because you're helping them. Go help others, and then they will help you. It's pretty awesome. Actually, I see John on here. That's one of the things John did. John said, hey, how can I help you? And I turned around and said, how can I help you? And so go out there today and try this when you're online, you're talking to people. Instead of being competitive, start creating, start being collaborative and working together instead of, hey, I'm out for me. You remember, I mean, you cannot do everything you want to do by yourself. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, millionaires don't do it by themselves. They have help. How do they get the help? They help others. Some of the most selfish people in the world are your millionaires and billionaires. Why? Because they're helping others. They help others get what they want. And guess what? You know it. That's right. You get what you want. If you help others get what they want, you'll get what you want. So step 4 is give first to others. Use the line, how can I help you? Of course, follow the YouTube channel, be a subscriber so you'll get every one of these so we can go. Right now, we're 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tomorrow, we'll do step 5, which 5 is my favorite. Use your tools. Use your tools. Have the tools you need. You have everything you want. Just use those tools, and they'll help you get further in life. So go rock today. Use the 7 steps to the Freight Train Mindset, freighttrainmindset.com. You'll get your free copy there. Also, coming up next week, I've got an event coming up. It's going to be a calendar. We're going to do a quick webinar, quick overview of how to win at your calendar. That was such a big hit about a month ago. So I'm going to do that again. What I do is go in detail about how to win at your calendar. If you think you're losing time, you're losing money, you probably are. But what I do is go into detail about how to use Google Calendar, how to work it, and how you can find time and make more money. It's pretty awesome. So we'll do that next week. Anyway, look out for that. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Go out there, go rock it, go help somebody today. Give first to others. Use the line, how can I help you? Have a great day from the Choo Choo Train. I'm Jimmy B. Choo choo.